I gonna do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Bless up on yourself, my people. Big up on yourself every time. Attack. Well, wow, Jaja. So now, people, see, there's the news published that an alleged gunwoman was killed in Jamaica yesterday. I know many people been waiting for NEWLINK to cover this story. Many people been looking out for NEWLINK to cover this story. And as you can see the picture there, yeah man, that's the alleged gunwoman. Yeah. Well, in the end, people, I couldn't cover this story yesterday, or when this story released. Eventually, now it's Wednesday, this thing happened from Monday. But I couldn't cover the story because I wasn't getting the information that I needed on this story. I could have just come and say, yo, a gunwoman was killed in Jamaica, which to me, people at the time, it never sounded so good. It never sounded so straight because I know there's bad woman in Jamaica, and of course, there's maybe gunwoman, but this one, you know, I'm very spiritual people and I couldn't feel it, so I couldn't cover it at the time, you know. Well, now that some information has reached the NEWLINK now, pertaining to this incident, I feel like now is the right time to share what's been going on, you understand, and what's really them say happen. And it's a different situation now, people, than what the police has reported. Zine, because eventually what happened now, people, it seems like it's a murder, basically. Well, the police report stated that in a Maxfield Avenue, Kingston 10, you know what I mean, that confrontation was made with this female who is 34-year-old, you understand, goes by the name of Lataya. And it is said that something happened which they can't get a full explanation about, where shootout between police and the woman was fatally shot and a gun was recovered and thing. In the end, people, it's a different story now that I'm getting, and this story is coming from evil family side, people side, you understand, who said them get so go on. Well, let me just give you a history about this female. See, as I tell her, her age is 34 years old. This female is a British citizen, not a full Jamaican. This female has been living in Jamaica for the past 3 years. This female is the only child only daughter for her mother, right? Not the only child, only daughter for her mother, because she mother also have son. This female, people, wasn't a troublemaker, wasn't somebody who have problems with the law before, wasn't somebody of a person of interest or anything, wasn't somebody that was wanted, never somebody who live in a era where them say, yo, I be a badness, she a different and she a pirate gang and thing. This female was a normal female, loving female, according to the reports that's been reaching to NEWLINK. This female wasn't a broke and hungry belly person, because she's not a deported people, you understand, where she can't go back to England because them say she do travel there at times being same way, but she just decide to come back home and thing because, you know, them are broke, they're not hungry. Well, people, in this situation we are going now, at the time them say she's single, not sure, she's beautiful though. hard to be single. Well, it's a serious thing, people, and not a joke thing. And you don't know me dealing with my story different, not joke thing. Well, according to the reports that's been reaching to NEWLINK about this female, and what really happened is that Zine, in a half a tree, because she drive people, she have a car, right? In a half a tree, she and a taxi brother have an altercation, an argument. You get me? It is said that in her car, a male passenger was in her car, and during the confrontation, the male passenger pulled a gun on the taximan because the taximan was getting really volatile on her, like he ready to mash up her face or something. So the male taxi pulled a gun. Eventually, she drive off the car. See? When she reach up a further up, that's when she go up in Maxfield Avenue from halfway tree and go up there, people. Because the taximan them say now go make a report to the police. Taximan don't get license plate number and everything and make a report to the police. You understand? And them say from there now, police comes a boom and trace car and find car and thing. They said that when the police like see the car, they signal the car to stop and thing. and the car stop. And from there now, the female must come out the car and thing. Get me that car into the news or reach NEWLINK. And all the things go on, people. Them just shot start beat and thing. They said that after everything, the male passenger that was in her car was not there no more. They said that no gun was in the car. The female never have a gun. The female never shoot at the police or anything like that. That's the news that's reaching to NEWLINK. See? So now the police are saying there was a confrontation and everything, and when family members tried to go to the police a statement, eventually they said this happened 6:30 in the evening. When the family member go to the police, they say it happened at 2:30 p.m. according to the news that's reached NEWLINK. When they go to the police station for statement and everything, the police telling the family members to come back. They can't provide the full details as yet. In the end, people, this don't look good to me. This don't look right. You understand? It just don't look good. It just don't look right. Honestly, this female, people, you know them say can't judge a book by its cover, but serious people, look at it. I don't think this female was no good, man. I don't think this female was nobody, man. I'm not gonna say, as I say, a male person was in the car, he pulled something, you understand, but when the police come, he gone. Because the police didn't report of a shooting where a male passenger has get shot or a male passenger fled while they was there. It was all about the female. And I'm thinking a lot of things, people. She's a beautiful female. How the relationship side go? Did she have a police who was an ex or anything like that? Because people, we know things go, you know. Zine, we know things go. But in the end, honestly, if these police brutally kill this woman, judge see, or no, attack. Justice shall prevail. You know what I mean? Because I have seen where situations happen where female life has been taken away. Male life has been taken away innocently. I'm not going to say there isn't bad people, there isn't gun people. We know we have people, you know, who just ready to open their ears and yes, yo, gunman kill. But not all the time people die, people, and the police come and make a statement. Them say this and them say that. Because I want to know why all Jamaican police not wearing body cam, which I think they should do. That's the new system that's coming in, because it has happened where so much people's life has been taken away innocently from them people. You understand? And in the end, things now come straight, things now talk. You know what I mean? Well, them say Indicom is probing the matter right now, which we know Indicom always step in and do them thing and thing. But at the moment and the time right now, people, serious thing, there's no joke about this thing. Zane, it's really heartbroken for this family. They say the mother right now, people, she's stressed out. Her brothers stressed out. Zane, because they need answers. And what they are looking in to know, the news has been reported that this sister is a gun woman. Is a bad woman. When they know who was their sister. Because if you have a family member, people, you go know, you know, who she is, what she is all about. See? But you just sad to know the situation is according to the reports them we are coming, say to NEWLINK, say this sister, there was a male passenger in her car. He pulled a firearm. You understand? Which they don't know if it's a illegal or straight, but they say when she drive and reach the intersection, you get me, I say, police say she pull the gun and thing, and where's the gun? So the family member is saying, honestly, they are waiting to see what the police full report will be, because they know their sister. The brothers are saying they know their sister has been murdered. Sad people. It's tough. Zane, really tough. But honestly, only just sees and he knows. I have seen where several media sites has been pushing out and saying, you know, gunman this, gunman that, but honestly, it's not good to just come boom and judge like that. In a certain situation, you know, because they don't know the background of a person like that to just come and judge. These female people, honestly, yo, as we said before, you can't judge a book by its cover, but honestly, man, the spirit is just inside a NEWLINK, you know. It's really sad, man. Could have been my sister, too. Could have been my wife, to not true, if I wasn't married before. Could have been yours too. Girlfriend to do. Friend. Auntie. Could have been a child mother too. I don't know, maybe she have a youth them and thing, you know. But it's just life. And may our soul rest in peace. And may justice prevail. Zine, and the full truth shall be told. Never shall stay in the dark. From NEWLINK. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And we say attack, attack. And just peace, love, and respect. And be great. And be good people. Love your sisters. Love your brother. And stay blessed. Attack.